All right, our neighbor here at this rental house we're staying at, so we could fish this dock, and it is loaded with crappie. So we're using a little St. Croix rod and reel my buddy Mike let me borrow, so I didn't bring no crappie bait or tackle. Using some little minnows, about 20 foot deep, right here at this dock, believe it or not. Got him that time. Oh, you threw my minnow. You little turd. That's a good one. Oh, he swallowed it. Got him that time. That's a good one. Yeah, it's a slab there. Jeez. Pretty fish. Got me another one. That's a little better than the last one. You're slaying crappie. All right now. Not too bad. Fun guys to catch. Easy, pretty easy to catch once you get the technique down. What I got here is just like a ultralight reel or rod setup, extra long hook, like a number 4 or something. I can't remember. It's a small hook, and just one little single split shot, and put a live minnow on it, and you just toss it down there and wait until you feel a little tug. Might be my minnow. Nope, there it is. That's a decent one too. Oh, he's a really spiny one. Why are you so spiny? Huh? If you hold still, I'll get you off here. Yeah, not too bad. Well guys, I believe it's gonna be it. They ain't hitting no more. If you enjoyed this video, you know, please like and subscribe, share it, turn your notification bells on, and you know, stay up to date on this fishing adventure. We'll catch you in the next one.